I have an iPad Air 2, and now the battery is going out. It's at 74%. That means it probably needs to be replaced. 74% probably means like 60% or whatever. And well, it's been 6 years. It's 2020 now. 6 years, not too bad. Problem is, the colors are inverted now. So if I go on to, let's see, this game here. Well, anyways, yeah, you can see the colors aren't normal. Like Talking Tom shouldn't be, you see his mouth over here, it's all blue inside, like he's sick or has germs over here. Some of the colors are inverted. So I Googled it, and it's actually an ifixit thread about inverted colors. And I ran across this one thing where some guy said, after 4 years, batteries started to swell, and he fixed it by playing with white color settings, or also someone mentioned you could drop the iPad. It might fix it. But anyways, the real solution probably is, like I said on here, I see all of a sudden the battery percentage changed from 73 to 82. Yeah, I think the battery is about ready to die, so it's a good time for me to do some battery replacement possibly, and see if I can fix the inverted colors. Inverted colors. And I'll include this ifixit thread. I don't think it's worth $100 to send to Apple to try to replace the battery, and the screen might still be messed up, so this is a job for myself. I believe I can get the battery for $20-something. It's just a matter of getting the glue off with the heat gun, which is not something I'm going to be happy about. So anyways, if you have an inverted colors problem, is it because of a bad swelling battery? Let me know, because that's it. So you can kind of reduce the inversion supposedly by going into accessibility and display and reduce the white point. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a try, some of this stuff.